If running a coaxial cable isn't possible in your space, you can still get online with Xfinity Wi-Fi by using smart alternatives that don't rely on a wall coax outlet. These options are designed for flexibility, apartments, rentals, and temporary setups. One effective option is using an Ethernet-based setup. If your modem already has internet access, connect an Ethernet cable from the modem to the WAN internet port on your router, then log into the router's web settings using its IP address to complete configuration. This method delivers stable, high-speed internet without needing coax at the router location. Another solution is using Xfinity X5 pods, which create a wireless mesh network. These pods extend Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home without running cables, making them ideal when wiring isn't practical. Xfinity also offers Wi-Fi hotspot options for situations where home setup isn't available. Xfinity customers can connect to public hotspots named Xfinity or Xfinity Wi-Fi by logging in with their account credentials. Additionally, Xfinity mobile hotspot devices or phones can share internet wirelessly, and it's worth noting that nearly 90% of Xfinity mobile traffic runs over Wi-Fi, showing how reliable this system is. Together, these options give you multiple ways to stay connected, even without a coaxial cable.